Hello, I'm Phil Williams from MR Innovations, and I'm going to demonstrate the functions of our DC controller system known as Copilot, and this is the world's best DC control system. I am confident in saying that because it's got such excellent features. Now, first of all, it's a speed controller, so if I turn up the speed, the loco will move as you would expect, but this particular one uses PWM and software defined, so you can actually get slow speeds down to 1 mile an hour scale speed on any DC loco. And this works really well. If I press star, I go from forward to reverse. The light will change sides and the white light flashes just to remind you that you're going to go backwards when the time comes. But you can also set the beeper with 111. And this just reminds you you're in reverse mode. So if you do turn the speed up, you'll go backwards. We've all done that by mistake. But as soon as you do, the beeping stops and away you go. So the controller will also support up to 24 sets of points and 24 sets of signals. So if I press 1, then the points number 1 will change to set. If I press 1 again, I'll go back to unset. If I press 2, then points number 2 will operate, and if I press 2 again, points number 2 go back. Now if I press D, that toggles between points and signals. So if I press signals now, number 1, then the signals on the level crossing come on. Now the signals can be flashing like that, or they can be fixed like my signals number 2, which go from red to green, and it's set. Long beep to unset that green to red, and press number 1 and those signals will go out. Now the real superpower of this system is its ability to record and play back routines, and that makes it absolutely unique. So if I press A, I'm in record mode. Now the light changes to red to show you're in record. After 2 beeps, we're ready to go. So if I do a very simple routine, I'll just drive the loco up to there, stop a bit and then reverse, drive it back where we came from. That's a very basic routine. Back to forward, and then if I press C, we're back to manual. That ends the routine that we've just recorded. Now I can now play it back by pressing B, and by the miracle of electronics, that routine will replay. Now if I played 1, 2, 5, then the routine would loop round and round as often as you like, which is great for people doing video recordings or a diorama, for example. It will record the waiting time, the acceleration, the speed, and the direction of travel. And the points and the lights, it'll all get recorded. So complex routines can be recorded and played back, and those routines can be up to 10 minutes long. Now another feature of it is the emergency stop, which is very useful if you have a derailment somewhere and you decide, whoops, I want to stop this. That's the hash key. So if I turn up the speed, press the hash key, you notice how effectively that works. Lights turn red. Now to cancel that, you would turn the speed down to 0 and press hash again. And away you go. So that's some of the functions of this excellent Copilot system which we've developed. We launched it at the NEC back in November, and everybody that saw it thought it was really brilliant. It's the best DC controller on the market, and it's only just been completed and it's only just ready, but it really does transform your DC system into something a bit special. Thanks for watching.